Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your full stretching routine that is great for everybody, but most especially for moms. Be sure that you have been cleared by your doctor before you begin this or any other exercise, especially as a new mom. So we are matching in sport so that we warm up our body a little bit for the stretching routine. And if you are new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you receive notifications. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. So continue matching, feeling your heart rate getting up a little bit. And we shall be beginning with neck stretches. So we are going to be beginning with the side-to-side neck stretch. We shall be beginning with stretching the right side. So just get into a comfortable position. You can do these stretches seated on a chair or even down on the mat. I find standing the best because it helps you maintain the posture. So whichever position you choose, make sure that you are upright and you are having a proper form and posture. So what you want to do is to turn your neck to the other side. We are beginning stretching the right side of the neck, stretching out these lateral muscles. You know, sometimes you get stiffness in the neck, especially from bad nights, you know, sleepless nights, the baby is always up and you get pain in the neck. So we want to stretch out the right side. So you can support your head with the other hand and put the other hand on the shoulder. And we want to aim for 30 to 1 minute for each stretch. However, follow your body and you can stretch for as long as you can or as long as you want. So keep stretching, and we want to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back up. And the other side. Feeling that gentle stretch in your neck. Make sure you're not feeling any strain on the other side of the neck. Just go as far as you can go. Keep breathing. You can pull your tummy towards the spine in order to keep your abdominal muscles engaged while we stretch. And we are going to stretch this out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come back up. So next we want to move on to dropping our chin to chest so that we can stretch out the back side of our muscles. So what you want to do is to drop down your head towards your chest gently, feeling that gentle stretch in the back of your neck. If you want to make it more intense, you can bring your hands at the back of your skull, then bring down your hands or your elbows slowly, and you will exert some pressure onto your neck, and you will feel the stretch even much more getting intense. So just hold this. If you prefer to do it without the hands, simply just let it go and make sure your shoulders are relaxed and drop down. Still, we want to stretch out the back of our neck for about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So whatever you can do or whatever your body allows you to do, and we shall just hold it, shoulders relaxed, and we are going to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. So these are stretches you can still do anywhere, anytime, especially if you feel that you have tension anywhere in your body. So next we are going to do the chin up to the ceiling stretch so that we stretch the front part of our necks. You want to bring your hands back on your neck and gently pressing on your shoulders just around here like this. And what you want to do is to press gently, lowering your elbows or hands while lifting your chin to face up the ceiling. And we are just going to hold this, feeling that stretch in your neck. Hold and gently press with your hands and pull your abs towards the spine so that you keep them engaged. And we are going to hold this for as long as we can, still aiming for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. This is a freestyle routine, whatever you can handle or whatever your body allows you to do. So stretch it out, hold it, and we shall be holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring down the chin, bring down your hands, and we shall be moving on to the elbow stretch. The hands do a lot of work and they get really stressed with carrying the baby all the time here and there. So what you want to do is to raise your hand backward. I'll just show this to you from the back. And what you want to do is to gently pull your elbow towards your head, feeling that gentle stretch in your shoulders and in your biceps. And we shall be holding this for just about the same time. Keep breathing. Very good stretch for the hands, for the shoulders as well. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to do the other hand as well. You can do some wrist rotations as well if you can. Holding for as long as you can, and we shall continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring your hands up, and you want to do this across the body as well. So just bring your hand to your side of your head, and with the other hand push your hand towards your neck, and we are holding it right there as well, feeling that stretch in the hand over here. Holding for as long as you can, don't forget. Yeah, sorry if I keep repeating this so much, but just continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to move into the other hand. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we want to move on to the biceps and chest stretch. You want to bring your hands at the back of your body and stretch them out as far as you can go, and you want to hold this still for as long as you can, even 15 seconds. Whatever you can do is okay. You can even add on a bend to stretch out the back. So what you want to do is to bend at your hips and slowly come down, and feeling the stretch in your hips as well and in your back, and you want to hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come up slowly. And next we shall just go onto the mat, and down on the mat we shall begin with a flat stretch. You just want to get down onto your mat safely on your side, and you want to lie with your back flat on the mat. You may want to pull in your arms towards the spine. This will help with keeping a flat back as well. And you want to spread out your hands, and you want to feel that stretch in the entire body. It actually feels so good. You want to hold it right there still for as long as you can. Let's aim for 30 seconds. So keep breathing in and out, breathe in and out, in and out, feeling that stretch in the entire body. and we want to continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring back your hands. If you want, you can do it longer. We are going to move on to knee hug. So just bring both your knees towards your chest or towards your body and hold them, hug them tight, feeling that stretch in your back. Very good stretch for the back, for the legs, and for the hands as well, because you're using them to squeeze. You can move side to side if you want to add some complexity into the stretch. Otherwise, just keep in one position, and we are holding it right there. Holding, keep breathing, feeling all the tension in your back, especially the lower back, getting released for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring your legs down. Next, we are going to raise our legs off the ground to the ceilings, towards the ceiling, and you want to point out your feet outwards. We are going to pull in our tummy towards the spine. This is actually a very good move for strengthening your abdominal muscles as well, for stretching out the legs and for stretching out the back as well as the hands. So you want to point out your feet outwards to the ceiling, then reach out your hands beyond your head and keep breathing while we are holding this. Breathe in and out, feeling that stretch in your legs, in your back, in your hands. Keep holding, and we shall continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we want to get onto our side. We want to sit up straight on the mat, and we want to do a side stretch. We are stretching out the side of our bodies. So just bring your hand over your head and use the other to support your body, and we shall be holding this for 15 seconds to 30 seconds per side. So pull that tummy towards the spine and keep breathing. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get onto the other side as well. I love stretching. When I stretch, I really feel all the tension, all the stress, all the stiffness getting released. And this is one of the best things you can do for yourself as a new mom. Stretching it out, holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to come back up. Now you want to breathe in. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Deep breathe in and deep breath out. Breathe in and out. One more time, breathe in and out. And coming to the end of our stretching routine, I hope you feel good after this routine. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or a comment if you have anything to say. Don't forget to connect up with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and do not forget to love yourselves first. Bye bye.